Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade in XM demo account. And it's quite simple because if you click on demo, you have here the option for plus icon, and then we click on demo account. Then you do continue on MT4, do ultra low standard, select the leverage, select the currency, select your investment amount, and then click on continue, and then you can start trading with a demo account. Then right now, if you want to trade with your demo account, you need to buy a position when it's low, and you need to sell a position when it's high. So let's see, for example, here at Nvidia Corp, where many options to create a nice buy position. So let's say here at 183 until, now let's say 182 was a nice buy position, and then a place where you can sell it is somewhere between around 183. That is the game that we want to play. We want to buy it when it's low and we want to sell it when it's high. So this is the game that we want to play. This is how you can trade with a demo account, and good luck with these tips. So hopefully this was a video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.